Thank you for meeting us on this short presentation. Here we will show issue with inability to log in into a restored Galaxy from a CAP file. First, let us demonstrate the version of software we see and use. This is System Platform 2023, plain, not R2, patch 04. So in IDE, we are trying to log in, and we are presented with the name of the Galaxy with username and password. This is freshly restored Galaxy. I will try to log in as myself. I'll enter my password. And this is the result I'm getting, invalid username and password. Now, let us see what have we done in order to authorize this SCADA PIMA URI user. In SQL Server Management Studio, in the overall security of the whole SQL Server, under logins, we have this user. So his roles, as you can see, are all of them enabled. All of them here enabled. User mapping, as you can see, is on Cox Creek. Particularly, he is owner, security admin, and public access. Other roles I try to enable, but found most of the time impossible. Now, accidentally, I can do myself mapping this particular as access admin, DB data reader. I hope that will not give me many additional credentialized rights, but let's try adding more in hopes that I can get access to this database. So I'm not adding denied reader and writer because I don't want to be denied. And under securables, there is nothing explicit except I am SA system administrator. Notice here on the left-hand side that I enabled SA account and I gave it a very specific secure password. That is just to get a full control during the setup of this database. And I also granted myself permissions to connect and log in. Now, with respect to the actual database itself, this is the Galaxy Cox Creek that I created here. Under local authorized users, you can see that this user is DB owner. He is member of all of those roles. Securables are not defined and no extended properties. Generally, the DBO schema is DBO. So I'm not sure whether I have to add anything extra here. Maybe, yeah, most of them I cannot do like this. So I'm not sure whether any additional membership here is needed, but that's pretty much what I was able to add. So I will try again connecting to this Galaxy and in a hope that somehow these changes will make it possible for me to log in. Okay, so this is the Galaxy we would like to open. Let's see whether we're gonna have success. No, we don't. So I would hope that you will be able to tell me how can I log in into this Galaxy. I have full admin rights to SQL Server Management Studio. And as a domain, I am also a domain administrator. If you could give me some suggestion, that would be greatly appreciated. Thank you for your help in advance.